This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Susie Weldon. Welcome home to this spacious 4-bedroom property nestled on a large lot in an established Dardanelle neighborhood. Offering plenty of room both inside and out, this home features a functional floor plan designed for comfortable everyday living. The attached garage provides convenient parking and additional storage, while the oversized yard offers endless possibilities for outdoor entertaining, gardening, pets, or play. Enjoy the small-town atmosphere of Dardanelle while remaining just minutes from schools, shopping, dining, the Arkansas River, Mount Nebo State Park, Lake Dardanelle State Park, Lions Den Golf Club, and all the amenities of the River Valley area. Whether you're looking for extra space for a growing family or simply want room to spread out, this property delivers comfort, convenience, and value. Don't miss your opportunity to make this versatile home your own. For more information,